So it's very nice here. It's like a park because it's surrounded by the park. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, so you can just sit there and relax and then have your free time. The mattress is there. This is Orthodox church. You call it church. So it's an Orthodox church, guys. Because of most of the Greek, their religion is Orthodox. It's you can see, guys, the sunset because it's already past 5. Yeah, so we can see the sunset now. No need to go in Santorini. Oh. So this is the sunset in Greece. Very nice. From here, guys, you can able to see the highest mountain in this is Ailus. Baby, is this the highest mountain in Greece? Okay, my husband said it's the highest mountain in Greece. So it's at Ailus. Yeah, it's just right there. That's the Ailus mountain. From here, it seems very near, but he said it's not near. And then you can see the snow is just there because here it's not snowing. It's only cold, but it's not snowing. I'm waiting for the snow to come here in Larissa, but they don't have this year. Last year they have, but this year they don't have. So I can't able to experience the snow here. Like right now, it's not very cold, but previous month it was cold. Yeah, I remember it was December when it was cold, but now it's not. The temperature is like now it's only, I think, not even 10. Maybe it's only 18-20 degrees Celsius only. Yeah, because it's not so cold. So there are some people here in the park. They're just walking around here, but not much people because today is weekdays. It's only, yeah, it's Monday. I think every weekend is crowded here, and then especially the restaurant, because now I can see some of the restaurants, they don't have customer. Only the coffee shop they have. That's why they have, that's why here they have timing for opening hours, like between 2 to 5.
The restaurants are closed this time. They are preparing to open the most.
So they will open at 6.
Every restaurant is
Different also. It's very nice. So we're going down. We're walking.